You've heard it before, set goals and you can manifest anything. But it's not always that simple. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve anything. If you're watching this video, you've been taught the most important first step to accomplishing anything is to set your goals. There are a lot of great programs online to help you with goal setting. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through the specifics of goal setting in this video. I'm going to take you to a step further. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments below. We could all benefit from it. Setting your goals is the first step, and you must have a good concrete set of goals that you're striving toward. Those goals, well, they're tied to something called SMART goals. They're specific, they're measurable, they're achievable, they're relevant, and they're time-based. SMART goals. And any goal setting program is probably going to take you through something like that. But the thing is, you do this and you achieve some of your goals, but others, they seem elusive. Why is that? The first thing you have to consider when you're setting your goals is whether they are your goals or someone else's goals. We live in a society where you can see all the other things people are getting, buying, doing. And oftentimes we set a bar for ourselves based on what others are getting, achieving, or striving towards. But those goals might not necessarily be right for us. You need to ensure that the goals you're setting are your goals and not the goals somebody else has accomplished that have been inflicted on you. And the way you do that is aligning the heart and the mind. When we set our goals and we document them, that's the mind at work. We're thinking about what it is we want to do. But the heart is what guides us. The heart is what takes us down the right path. The heart is what is necessary to be successful accomplishing our goals. And the heart knows if the goal is our goal or someone else's. As you walk through your goals, think about each one. Silently internalize them. Is the heart and the mind aligned? Do you feel in your heart that this is the right thing for you? Only alignment in the heart and mind will get you down the path to successfully accomplishing that goal. If the mind says, I want to do it, but something doesn't feel right in the heart, that's a foreign goal. It's not one of your goals. It's a goal that you saw somewhere else and you felt that you had to accomplish. Get rid of the foreign goals, make sure they're your own, and now you've narrowed it down to a list of goals that are right for you. The next thing we tend to do with goals is we tend to put so much energy in focusing on them that we put them on an unattainable pedestal. We make the goal so difficult to achieve because we put so much emphasis on that goal. You need to approach your goal with intention to accomplish it, but without too much weight on it. If you wake up every day and you say, I've got to do this, I've got to do this, I've got to do this. Well, first of all, you've introduced scarcity, which is saying, I don't have this. And that makes it even more difficult to accomplish. You should approach your goal as if you're going outside to get the mail. You should approach the goal as if you're driving to the grocery store to pick up groceries. You're intending to do it. You just do it. That's the difference between intention and desire. Intention moves you towards your goal. Desire often puts up barriers. So focus on your goal and be thoughtful of your goal, but then take yourself away from the outcome of that goal and intentionally move towards it. Now, the foundation of intention is faith. You know within your heart that you are going to accomplish this goal. Whether that goal is financial or a career direction or personal with a significant other, have faith that you're going to accomplish that goal and move with intention towards that goal. And don't get all caught up with lack or the fact that you don't have that goal. Now, the thing that makes this all work, where you identify the goals that align your heart and mind, and you have these goals that you approach intentionally with faith as a foundation, you're going to encounter situations where things get in the way, hurdles, challenges, things you're going to overcome. You need to approach those things as if they are not hurdles. You need to approach those things if they're expected. I did a video before, and the gist of the video is all is as it should be. You can check that out. But what you have to do is realize that these whole hurdles are typically getting you ready for the accomplishment of your goal. And when one of those hurdles occurs, go right through it, all is as it should be. The next thing with your goal is, I mentioned you don't put too much emphasis in it, in that you shouldn't approach the goal as if it's a lack or you're missing it. And the way you ensure that you will approach the goal in a area of abundance is through gratitude. Now, how do I do this? Well, this is how it works. If my goal is financial, say my goal is a financial amount, then what I'm going to do every single day is be grateful for the financial things that come in my life. For example, isn't it wonderful that money comes into me every single day? Thank you, thank you, thank you. If my goal is around building a business, isn't it wonderful that I have this amazing team of people working every day to grow our business and to serve our clients? Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's something called the mirror principle, and that is what you give is what you get. And a part of that principle is gratitude for what you already have. So be thankful for all the things that you have that are aligned with your goal. If you want a new house, you want this brand new beautiful house, every day be 100% grateful for the house you have. Isn't it wonderful that I live in a beautiful home and I have all these blessings around me? Thank you, thank you, thank you. The surest way to achieve your goals is 1, identify what those goals are. 2, reduce those goals to your goals, not foreign goals. 3, approach each goal with intent, just like you'd be going to the grocery store to pick something up. 4, make sure that you approach that goal in a place of abundance, not scarcity. Don't focus on not having a goal. Focus on all the things that you have that move you towards that goal. If you want more money, be thankful every day for all the money you have. If you want a new relationship, be thankful for the relationships you have. If you want a new house, be thankful for the place you live today. Approach it with abundance and gratitude. And whenever you get hurdles between you and that goal that you're intentionally moving towards, just remember, all is as it should be. I hope this was helpful. I make videos on personal development, marketing, business. If you like what you saw, I'd appreciate a like. If you want to see more, subscribe and hit the bell. I'd also like to hear how you approach goals, so put something in the comments below. Thanks for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.